Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 15th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is very likely to be an uptrend. I still think it is very likely to go up, eventually take out the higher wave W. I think this is a WXY, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So I think we're in an ABC of wave Y, which should take it all the way up to these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. The Aussie is still continuing to be a little bit on the weak side, but on the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely hasn't made an engulfing move down. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is a 1 of C, this is a 2 of C, and that even though it is going down pretty strong, I think there's a pretty good chance that it will continue the uptrend, and this is going to be a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the Aussie is going down pretty strong, as you can see, but I'm pretty confident that that move down is a correction to this move up. We have a nice break of structure here, like I've been saying in the recent days, especially to my members on Discord, is that it does look like it could be an ABC, but I do not believe it's an ABC because of correlated pairs. I actually think that this is a subdivision of a much bigger wave 3. This is a 1, this is a 2. This break of structure I think confirms that we're in that wave 3, and I think over the coming weeks and coming months, especially on these higher time frames, it will continue to make higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as impulsive down wave A, 3 waves up wave B, impulsive down wave C, sitting right at the 61.8% fib level. We do have some very important news coming out this morning that we had to make it through, which hopefully this news actually does what I would hope that it would do, which is make an impulsive move up at a fib level. If I see a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside at this fib level, then I'm definitely going to take it as a long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you zoom out just a little bit, you can actually see the subdivisions. I mean, this move down is a little bit on the messy side, but I would definitely say it's a trend, wave A. I think this is a correction, wave B. I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually a 7-wave pattern down for a wave C. We do not have a break of structure yet, and like I said, we do have some pretty important news this afternoon to make it through. But if today's news causes it to go up, if it causes a nice clean break of structure, then I would for sure be looking for longs, especially on pullbacks. Like I said, I think there's a very good likelihood this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3 of wave C, unlike the weekly time frame, which is a wave C of wave Y. If that is true on the weekly time frame, that means that this thing has a long ways to go to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked up in the top here in the card. And also don't forget to check out my brand new website, which is linked at the bottom left of this video. So as always, thanks and happy trading.